Hi again. I wanted to give an update on the Padaco project, particularly with the adaptive k-means algorithm and measuring the separation levels for the centroids. It seemed like in the last part, the video, the separation levels are pretty inconsistent here as we went across. And we'd like to be able to get those clusters a bit tighter so we can see the membership in the gray and the centroid in the dark black up here in the top part, and where it is in terms of its popularity, which is the number of members that it has down here in the yellow highlight. So we can go back across. So to improve this, we should be able to adjust our threshold. Right now I'm looking at all days of the week, Sunday through Saturday. If we want to just look at Monday to Friday, let's recalculate that. And right now in the background, it's showing the, that was pretty fast there, that is showing the Calinzski index as it progresses. And here we are, we're just looking, again, the same measures that we had before. This feature right here seems to be one of the more prominent ones, this sort of three peaks. Okay, so we would like to adjust the threshold down. And in the background, again, we'll be watching this Calinzski index performance as it converges here, and we can see what it looked like. So starting off at 40 clusters is where we begin our adaptive k-means algorithm. Then it adjusted somewhere here around 65 for the next one. And this is good because as the more times we run our adaptive k-means algorithm, we are improving our Calinzski index, so we are improving our separation levels here. So let's lower it again down to 0.7. I'll recalculate this. Now we're going to have more clusters. And so our separation should be improving here. But we are converging down here around maybe an index of 12 or so. Let's see what the distributions look like. So on the left, this is the number of members that we have, and then this section right here has about 15 members. Yeah, 15 members up here. We can see the top count. And I'm going to slide over, look at some of the other centroids that we have. That one's still a bit noisy here. It looks like it is improving some there. Let's adjust it again. Okay. So the membership count is going to drop because we'll have more centroids. So there's fewer, I should say, yeah, the per centroid membership count goes down because the popularity is going to be distributed over more centroids. But they'll be better separated. Here looks to be our three peaks. Perhaps again, this first peak here looks like to be a little bit more of a double from what we saw before. Kind of the big mountain at the end of the day shape. Okay, that's a better three peak portion with sort of a different second half of the day. Kind of in the afternoon after this 2 p.m. siesta. So this is what I have right now. We can certainly, we can look at different time frames, different days of the week. We can also look at different features. Let's look at the vector magnitude. See if we can find our, okay. Getting that sort of break there at 2 o'clock. So this is low time. Here our semi 3-peak one. There's that big mountain at the end of the day shape again. Here's our more transparent 3-peak portion with the second half of the day, kind of hit or miss. Looks nice. Nice here. This one's got so 9 days or 9 members there. It's kind of a high early afternoon. The person's, these folks, these 8 children are up with the sun. Okay, so we can, let's see, I haven't tried 0.3 before. Here comes my kids.
I'm just a kid, not a kid.
Yeah, so we're going to have so many clusters here. This is going to be unfeasible, it looks like. Yeah, so 0.3 will be too low of a threshold for us to set. And now we know. I'm going to let's see. So here we have 0.3, 7 people this one. All right, there's our sort of our morning muted 3 peaks. There we go again. There's a nice crisper 3 peaks chunk here for those 6. And then we're going to fall off the cliff here on our terms of our distribution down below here. And if you want to see the, let's see here. See, that's a pretty, yeah, pretty low count, 5 people. Interesting, because like this peak right here doesn't really seem to fit in, but it must have been consistent with the rest of it across to fit together with that cluster. And it looks like we probably could have quit here around 525 and been okay. Maybe even here around 430, 440 clusters. All right, that's all for now. Please shoot me an email back with any questions, and yeah, we can try to trim the results as well and look at different things. But right now, it's just data exploration. Thanks.